Good morning, guys. Here we are, Science Bellwork, Week 4, Day 1. New topic this week, so make sure you create a new note in your Science Bellwork. Label the note Science Bellwork Week 4. This week we are going to be discussing and reading up on why does metal rust. Today we're going to be introduced to chemical reaction and corrosion. Follow along as I read through the passage, and then we'll move on to parts A and B. You know what rusty metal looks like, but have you ever wondered why you've never seen rust on a piece of wood or plastic? Rust is a sign of corrosion, which occurs when metal is exposed to air and moisture. Metal that is rusted may be crumbly, have holes in it, or have rough, reddish-brown patches on it. Corrosion in metals arises from a chemical reaction, which is a process in which substances react to form new substances. A chemical reaction is different from a physical change. When you scratch metal, the chemical makeup of metal stays the same, even if its appearance changes. But when metal rusts, a chemical reaction takes place between water, oxygen, and iron that changes the metal into a whole new substance. Okay, so part A wants us to use vocab words to complete the sentences. Our vocab words are chemical reaction and corrosion. Number one way to protect a car from blank is to keep it inside a garage. Let's look at the vocab words. Chemical reaction, a change in which one or more new substances are formed. Corrosion, a chemical wearing away of a material. Number one, I think corrosion would best fit this empty space in the sentence because we're trying to protect our car from corrosion or rusting. Number two, a blank can occur when substances are exposed to air or moisture. Well, we read about chemical reaction takes place between water, oxygen, and iron. New substances are made. Chemical reaction best fit number two. Part B wants us to explain in our own words how a chemical reaction is different from a physical change. Okay, so to start this off, we can say physical change is where physical appearance changes, but the chemical makeup stays the same. Whereas a chemical reaction is where something happens chemically that forms one or more new substances. And there's your response to part B. Science Bellwork, Week 4, Day 1. Make sure you've made those corrections if you need to, and I hope you guys have a good day.